It took me 2 hours to order this Fenty Skin to review for y'all. Come on with it.
All I need is one day, one time. All I need is one take, one line, and I'm gonna make you fall in love with me. And I'm gonna make you fall in love with me.
Hey sis, welcome to Deja's Diary. If you are new here, I am Deja Denise, and if you are not new but you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. I am so excited for today's video. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be reviewing the brand new Fenty Skin line. I was one of the lucky ones to go ahead and get the pre-ordered on Wednesday. So really quickly, let me go ahead and tell y'all about my online shopping experience. Girl, like I said, I was one of the lucky ones, right? It seemed like everybody in the world had gotten the pre-order link. So I got it around like 11:40, 11:50 on Wednesday night. I immediately rushed to the site, tried to order, and it crashed on me. And I mean, it crashed hard. The server was moving so slow. I like went to Twitter. Everybody was having the same problem, and I did not get to process my order until 1:53 a.m. I'm a little bit embarrassed to say, but I paid $16.95 for next day shipping. I wanted to review it so badly for y'all. It better be worth it. Quick disclaimer before I even get started, I am not a licensed esthetician. If you all have kind of seen on social media, there's been a lot of buzz about fragrance being inside of the products. I totally understand and I get it. Not gonna lie, I kind of felt away when I saw that there was fragrance in the products, but she never ever once said that they were gonna be like, you know, fragrance free or anything like that. So while we're on the topic of fragrance and before we unbox the products, I do want to talk about my skin. I do have sensitive skin, but sis, I have done face masks and all that type of stuff from like Dollar Tree before, and I'm still in the clear. So like I said, it's sensitive, but it's sensitive when it wants to be. I have more so of like hormonal acne. So when my cycle comes, I might get like 1 or 2 dots on my forehead, maybe one on my cheek, but it's never a full breakout on my face. I do have textured skin, as you all can see, and then around my nose, oh, this is my problem area for sure. It's like dry skin and it's crust all right here. This is me on a good day. Usually it's all white right here, and then I do have combination skin as well, so my T-zone will get oily. That's probably why it's not as crusty as it usually is. So enough rambling, let's get into the unboxing. I also did the virtual launch party, which was actually really cute. I had never seen anything like it. It was like a DJ. You could like make your own drinks. Like she was on live, Sean Garrett was on live. It was really cute. Ooh. Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty. Y'all, I'm so excited. I've never like gotten any products like the day that it launches, so I feel like a kid in a candy store. So the back of the Total Cleanser says hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. The directions are to use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. So you're gonna wet your skin first, work into a lather, and then rinse. I like makeup wipes to remove my makeup and then go in with the cleanser, but we'll see. My face is really dirty, so we gonna see. It has this really cute like twist top. I love that. It has like a really tacky consistency, and it doesn't really have a smell. It's like very faint. Whatever smell it is very faint. Oh baby, oh baby. It surely does lather, that's for sure. It's getting kind of close to my eyes, and my eyes are getting a bit sensitive. I wanted to give you a close-up of how lather is. It kind of like dissolves a little bit. and goes clear. Here's kind of another close-up as it's sat for like not even 2 minutes, but you can't even see it. Kind of just like melts into your skin, which is actually kind of dope. My skin feels clean. It doesn't feel stripped like it says. It does feel clean. It feels like almost like refreshing. Like if you like you know when you put like gum in water and you like chew it, it kind of gives me that like refreshing feel, which is really, really nice. I feel like everybody is geeking off of this fat water. So the back of the fat water says it instantly refines the look of pores, reduces the look of dark spots, evens skin tone, and fights shine without stripping skin. The directions are to use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers. Okay, cute, but we're gonna see. Okay, so for the fat water, like the toner, it says to apply with your fingers. I don't usually put toner on with my fingers. I usually use like a cotton pad, but I'm gonna follow the directions for the video. So I'm just gonna, it's not as gooey as I thought it would be. I mean, it's a serum, so I guess not. It's like running down my fingers like that. There's not really a smell to this either. It's like a faint, like, it smells clean, if that makes sense. I feel like I want a little bit more. I tried to be like, I guess kind of frugal with it. This dries into my skin very quickly, so I'm trying to hurry up and show y'all. It gave some people like a very dewy finish. For me, it's kind of drying into my skin really, really fast. Kind of like it's like sealing into my skin, and that's what it's supposed to do, so all good there. I don't know, I kind of wanted that, like, if you go on like Instagram or Twitter and type in Fenty Skin or even YouTube and see people like have it on, their face is like super like moisturized and like wet. So maybe it'll come during the SPF portion. So let me not talk too soon and let's try the SPF. Last but not least is the Hydra Vizor SPF. If you've watched any skincare videos on my channel, then you know that I am a huge advocate for SPF, especially on black skin. I know that there's a misconception that we don't need sunscreen, but black girls need sunscreen, okay? Period. So this is a refill, as you can see. And then right in the inside it says, love your skin, respect the planet, refill me, sold separately. So the refill I saw online cost $30. I did not get the refill because I wanted to see if I even liked this first. So before I drop this in, the directions on the SPF says to apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, use a water resistant sunscreen if swimming or sweating, and reapply at least every 2 hours. If you're gonna put this on under makeup, I'm not sure how it's gonna be if you need to reapply every 2 hours, but at the top of the day, it'll at least defend you in the sun. Oh. It's a really pretty like pinkish color. And this is a little bit runnier than I thought. It's not really a smell to this either. I mean, I know people were saying it. I mean, it's fragrance in it, I know. But I don't, okay, this smells like cherries, but in a very, not cherries in like a cough syrup kind of way, if that makes sense, but just like a, I don't know, it smells like cherries. Kind of. Okay. Ah, yeah, I spoke too soon. The SPF is where you get the boom, boom. Can y'all see that? Like, get into the glow. I mean, the glow is definitely there. Oh yeah, I feel like chicken grease a little bit. I am shining. I mean, Come on with it. Yeah. Now I'm hyped because this is the look I was going for. Like, I want to be shining like chicken grease. Now I'm shining like chicken grease. I wanted to hop back on camera and show you all my skin after the 3-step process. I know that it takes almost 30 days to for your skin to even get into a routine, but this is a first impressions video. So I wanted to show you all my skin. I'm still kind of dewy, but y'all, I was looking at people's pictures and videos and they were so like greasy, and I wanted to be greasy, but it's all right. So a close-up, I mean, my skin does look a bit more refreshed. I will give you that. When I first got on camera, I was looking a bit dull, not gonna lie. So I feel like I have some life back in my face. If you all want me to do a 2-week review or a 30-day review, let me know down in the comments below what you all would like to see. I don't hate it, but would I spend $98.62 again on this? Probably not. So that's with overnight shipping. It was $75 with a little discount that they gave. It's $88 regular price. I'm not too sure. Like, if you already have a skincare routine in place, I mean, just trying something new wouldn't really hurt. But if you don't have a set routine, I think this is really good to like start you off. I don't have a set routine. I kind of do what my skin likes. I try new products. So I am glad that I got it. Would I spend this much money again on something? No. I won't. But if we follow the trends of how Rihanna launches products, she goes by seasons. So I'm pretty sure she's going to have like a more hydrating something, maybe even like a fragrance-free line, because she's been seeing all these reviews online. I'm not too sure, but I know that these products will evolve with time, and you know, formulas do get better and all that stuff. Like I said, I do really actually like these products. The scents weren't as potent as people were kind of making it seem, so I am happy about that. It's just kind of light floral. If that's not your thing, you won't really smell it as much. Like, it's not that bad. I really like the fat water a whole bunch. Actually, the SPF too. I like all three, but it's definitely worth trying if you can afford it and if your skin can handle it, right? So if you know that you can't do any kind of fragrance, none at all, stay away. If you can kind of experiment with products, I would try it. Like I said, this is my first time ever putting it on my skin, so I'm not sure how it would react. When I did put on that Total Cleanser though, it got close to my eyes. My eyes were getting a little itchy and I was like, okay. Like, you know, it's nothing that I would like rub into my face like that. I don't clean my face like that anyway. Thank you all so much for watching my Fenty Skin review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out these 2 videos right here. Subscribe right here. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.